Welcome to Manifesting Guy, where we harness the law of attraction to manifest dreams and create an empowered community pushing the boundaries of manifestation to the extreme. Don't forget to join us by subscribing to the channel. Now, let's begin today's session. Our words are a tool for the mind to create reality. These three words are commonly used by most people in their daily lives without even knowing the adverse effects they have on their lives. These three words, which we believe to be so common, are blocking positive manifestations from becoming reality in your life. We use these words without even realizing their adverse impact on our lives. As soon as you become aware of these words and remove them from your daily vocabulary, you will find out very soon how they can change your life. The law of attraction will begin to work positively in your life, and you will begin to see great results. Let us begin by looking at each word one by one and understanding their impact on our lives. The very first word that people commonly use in their daily conversations is the word, I hope. When you say the word, I hope, there is a negative energy attached to it, a negative emotion hiding behind the word, hope. By saying so, you are putting yourself in a state of deprivation, implying that you do not believe that you are worthy of something good happening to you. The continuous use of these words in your daily life is creating a vortex of negative energy around you. If you want to use the effective law of attraction in your life to manifest your desires into reality, then you have to understand that the law of attraction works based on your energy. Only the energy that you radiate into the universe is what is going to come back to you. So, instead of saying, I hope, change these words to, I know. For example, instead of saying, I hope that I get the money, say, I know that I am worthy of this money. The second word that we're going to talk about is the word, I need. Every time you say, I need, you are simply saying that you are a needy person, living a life of deprivation. You are running behind those things that you do not have in life, which leaves you embattled from within. Instead, focus on feeling abundant in all fields of life. Tell yourself repeatedly that your life is filled with abundance and prosperity. For example, say, my life is filled with abundance, instead of, I need more money. The third and most negative word you can say for yourself is, I can't. By saying, I can't, you are holding yourself back based on past experiences. Remove this word from your vocabulary and start saying, I can. Believe in yourself and trust that amazing things will begin to happen to you. Make the decision today to change your life for the better. You have the power to change your reality, to be happy, prosperous, and abundant in life. Believe in the power of yourself, and amazing things will begin to happen.